दिल्ली है मेरे यार, बस इश्क मोहब्बत प्यार।
बस्ती है मस्तानों की दिल्ली, दिल्ली गली है दीवानों की दिल्ली। बस्ती है मस्तानों की दिल्ली, दिल्ली गली है दीवानों की दिल्ली।
My city, Delhi, the capital and the largest city of India and the 8th largest metropolis in the world. With population over 16.3 million, people need transport to keep their high-speed lives up to the mark. And that's what this video is all about, the heritage of transport of my city.
कामावर जायला उशीर झायला बघतोय रिक्षावाला ग वाट माझी बघतोय रिक्षावाला.
The cycle rickshaw or simply the rickshaw is a small-scale local means of transport whose small size allows the passengers to reach through the narrow streets of Delhi. Its design has changed over the time and government is working on better models for comfort and speed. These are the modest and the oldest ways of transport in my city. An auto rickshaw is a motorized version of the traditional pulley rickshaw and is an essential form of transport in my city as they provide cheap and efficient transportation. All auto rickshaws in Delhi run on eco-friendly fuel CNG and can easily be distinguished by its yellow-green livery.
मन्नू भाई मोटर चली पम पम पम, मन्नू भाई मोटर चली पम पम पम, हे मन्नू भाई मोटर चली पम पम.
Delhi Transport Corporation or DTC is the main public transport operator of Delhi and the largest CNG powered bus service operator in the world. It was incorporated in May 1948 by Indian government for local bus services. Back in those days, buses used to be so crowded that people used to climb over the rooftops and hang on the windows to complete their journeys. Now, DTC has started high-capacity bus service with improved carrying capacity and better facilities like air conditioning, less travel time, less congestion, more comfortable interiors, GPS navigation, etc. Being the cheapest mode of transport, DTC buses are the most preferred transport in my city.
रेलगाड़ी, 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 छुक 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 छुक. बीच वाले स्टेशन बोले रुक 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 रुक. लोहे की सड़क.
Indian Railways or IR is one of the world's largest railway networks comprising 115,000 kilometers and 7,500 stations. It carries about 7,500 million passengers annually. Railways were first introduced to India in 1853 from Bombay to Thane. In 1951, the systems were nationalized as one unit, becoming one of the largest networks in the world. These railways have changed millions of lives over the years and have connected Delhi to the world. The Delhi Metro or the Lifeline of Delhi is a rapid transit system serving Delhi and the National Capital Region of India. With combination of elevated, at-grade and underground lines, this service has totally changed day-to-day lives of Delhi Heights. Started in 2002, Delhi Metro has become everyone's favorite because of its convenience, security and reasonable fare charges. And that's all my friends. Thank you for watching.